Magandang gabi mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi. Mga kaibigan, may nahunt nga pala ako ngayon mga kuinso. Lagpas, manggas. Tsaka to, 2011. Ang ganda pa ng buhok ni Aguinaldo at saka ni Apolinario Mabini, oh. Tsaka to, dalawang 2019 Nonagon. Yan. 2019 niya mga kaibigan. Tsaka to, 2011 Frosted Dye. Ayan o, frosted to mga kaibigan. Walang record sa Numesta to. Tsaka to, ang 2010. Walang record sa Numesta to. 2010 Frosted Dye. Hindi na re-record sa Numesta to. Ito nga pala pag-usapan natin mga kaibigan to. Ito'y pera ng Ukraine. At ito ay itong mukhang yan ay siya ay si Bohdan Khmelnytsky. Khmelnytsky nga babasa rito. Tingnan nyo mga kaibigan, no? Bohdan o Khmelnytsky lang yan. Si Bohdan Khmelnytsky, born 1595, Chingirin, Ukraine. Died August 16, New Style, 1657. Chingirin was the leader 1648 to 57 of the Zaporozhian Cossack, who organized a rebellion against Polish rule in Ukraine that ultimately led to transfer of the Ukrainian lands east of the Dnieper River from Polish to Russian control. Although he had been educated in Poland and had served with Polish military force against the Turks, Khmelnytsky, who had become chief of the Cossacks at Syrian, quarreled with the Polish governor of the region and was forced to flee December 1647 to the fortress of the Zaporozhian Cossacks, a semi-military community that had developed from runaway serfs, bandits, and traders who had settled along the Dnieper River. He then organized a rebellion among the Zaporozhian Cossacks and with the support of the Crimean Tatars, march against the Poles of April 1648. His victorious advance won him additional support from the dissatisfied peasants, townspeople, and clergy of Ukraine who joined him in a mass uprising that enabled him to enter Poland proper and seize Wow now lived in October 1648. After winning more victorious victories in 1649, Khmelnytsky made peace with the new Polish King Jan Casimir, concluding the Compact of Borough, August 18, 1649. Its term permitted him to establish a virtually independent Cossack principality in Ukraine. The treaty satisfied neither the Polish gentry nor Khmelnytsky followers, many of whom remained subject to Polish landlords. Therefore, he renewed the war in the spring of 1651, but was defeated at the Battle of Berestechko in June and was compelled to accept a new, less advantageous treaty. He then sought aid from Moscow against Poland, and in 1654 directed his Cossacks to take an oath of allegiance to Alexis, the Tsar of Russian. Pereslav Agreement. The Russians subsequently invaded Poland, but Khmelnytsky, not content with his pact with Alexis, entered into secret negotiation with Sweden, which was also war with Poland. He was about to conclude a treaty with the Swedes, placing the Cossacks under Swedish rule when he died. Khmelnytsky sought autonomy for his Cossack followers, but succeeded only in devastating their formerly flourishing Netherlands and in subjecting them to the rule of Moscow, which gained control of Ukraine east of the Deep of Dnieper and gradually curtailed their liberties. So, yun ang naging buhay ni Bogdan Khmelnytsky. So, mga kaibigan, ito yung sinasabing 5 Raven. 5 Raven ito, mga kaibigan. 5 Raven. Excuse me po. Pictures issuing Ukraine. Issuing National Bank of Ukraine, period, Republic, type standard banknotes, years 2004 to 2015. Aba, madami-daming mintage to, 11 years. Value 5 Raven. Value sa Pilipinas 690. 690, mga kaibigan, Currency Hryvnia. Composition paper. Aba, papel lang pala to. Papel lang pala to. Size 118 by 63 mm, shape rectangular. Obverse Bogdan Khmelnytsky 1595 to 1657, is a great hitman of Ukraine, a public figure and a military leader who established the Ukraine state by uniting the left bank and right bank territories of Ukraine. So, yun. Bank. Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga design niya. Reverse. Ilyaska St. Elias Church in Sabado Village was built in 1653 as a Milnitsky family burial vault. Milnitsky and his son Taimosh are buried there. Yun. Na naging libingan daw ng pamilya niya. Sa ngayon kaya, ano na kaya itong, siguro ito tourist destination na ito ngayon sa kanilang bansa, sa Ukraine. Kaso lang nagkagera sa kanila eh. Hindi natin alam kung pinasabog na rin itong lugar na to. Pulatan na tayo sa niya mga kaibigan. Ito mga kaibigan, ito ay signatures. Itong hawak ko ay ito ang chairman of the National Bank of Ukraine. BSS ang niya. Initial. Pero ang simula ng niya, very good, fine, very fine, extra fine. Simula tayo sa 2004. SLT ang initial, extra fine 63, almost uncirculated 170, uncirculated 220. Aba, mamahalin din pala itong banknote na to. Mahal to. BSS 2005, kaso lang BSS 2005. Hindi yan ang hawak ko. Yan nga ang hawak ko pala. 2005. Fine 43 hanggang extra fine 61 ng almost uncirculated. Uncirculated ay 69. Kaso lang ito mga kaibigan, hindi natin ito matatawag na very good o very fine o fine, extra fine o almost uncirculated. Kasi, tingnan nyo mga kaibigan, sa katatago siguro ito may kalawang. Nang kinuskus ko yung kalawang, nabutas. Ayan tagos yan tagos. Kaya nasira na siya. Pero ang malutong pa rin naman to. Pero maraming tinupian to. Ayan kitang-kita yung tinupian. Tinupi siguro ito pa ganyan. Hindi, may tupi pa ganyan to eh. Pa ganito. Tapos may tupi pa ito pa ganito. Ewan ko paano nangyari itong tupi na ganito. Yan, may tupi ang ganyan. May tupi ang pa ganon. Pa ganito. Pero di bale. Collection ko na to. Punta tayo sa SHA. Ang SSA ay extra fine 19 pesos, almost uncirculated 85, 120 ang uncirculated. Mahal din. Mamahalin yung banknote na yan ng ng Ukraine. 2013 IBS fine 31 hanggang extra fine, very fine, extra fine 42, almost uncirculated 50, 52 ang uncirculated. 2015 BOH, ang fine 20 pesos hanggang almost uncirculated, 53 ang uncirculated. Wow. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, papress na subscribe, papress na notification bell, paselect ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.